Welcome to learn about Longwell's cutting-edge EC backward curved centrifugal fan, the 280 series. As a global professional provider of air power solutions, our centrifugal fans are renowned for their outstanding performance, ultra-low noise, and reliable durability. The intelligent control experience ensures effortless operation. Operating at 3,000 RPM, it delivers a maximum airflow of 3,039 cubic meters per hour and a static pressure of 1,102 pascals, with noise levels as low as 82 dB. We design and manufacture high-efficiency, low-energy consumption EC/DC/AC centrifugal fans, widely used in industrial manufacturing, commercial buildings, medical equipment, HVAC systems, fresh air purification, and more. We're certified with ISO, BSCI, CUL, FCC, and more, covering global standards for systems and products. Driven by technological innovation. Welcome to learn about Fans Experts Advanced
Longwell
Technology
offers a diverse
EC
range of
backward
product
centrifugal
series,
fan 280
providing
series,
comprehensive
fan solutions for various industries. Born for high-quality breathing, Longwell fans power your equipments.